Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I will share with you guys recipe of air-fried Malai chicken. Air-fried Malai chicken is very easy and quick recipe. It takes only 20 minutes to make it. Take 900 grams of boneless chicken and cut it into small cubes shape. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Or according to your taste, also add spice blend that is cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves blend. Now add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, mix well, and marinate it for about 20 minutes. Now in air fryer, add this marinated chicken. Air fry it for about 20 minutes on 180 degree. After 20 minutes, add cooking cream about 1/4 cup. Air fry it again for 10 minutes. Now you can see the color of the chicken has changed, and even the chicken has become soft. Now take another half portion of the marinated chicken and add some tomato and onion choppings on top of it and air fry it for 20 minutes. Now again, after 20 minutes, add the cooking cream and follow the same procedure. Once the chicken becomes soft, we will take it out and place it in the serving dish. Add some sliced lemons beside for those who love to squeeze lemon juice on chicken slices. So here's the quick and tasty air-fried Malai chicken ready to get served hot. If you like to steam it with the coal, it is an optional, but it does give barbecue taste and smell. Cover it with the foil and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, remove the foil and the coal. You can serve this air-fried Malai chicken with hot and spicy or plain garlic sauce ketchup. So if you like my recipe, do comment below. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.